Wind blows, flower falls, so I cry. You said I'm held in your heart, and this life will never be, so let us part ways. I can assure you, so please don't cry.